Now this next one is really, really interesting. So if you ever turned up the volume on your iPhone and you thought to yourself, oh my God, this is not, loud enough or whatever, you can actually increase the maximum value that your iPhone is actually allowed to go up to. Now, I would be a little careful of this if you're trying to be like super loud, then obviously, use discretion or whatever. But in order to actually do this, all you would have to do is go into your settings. You'll come into the panel like this. You want to scroll down until you find the music section. So it's usually over here somewhere. As you can see, it is right here. It was like right there. All you want to do is go ahead and click on it, and then you'll see a couple of options. So first of all, you'll see volume limit. What you want to do is you want to go and click on volume limit, and you want to make sure it's enabled and everything, and you want to make sure the volume limit is off. So there's no volume limit set or anything like that. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to make your way over to EQ. So you want to go and tap here, and you want to find the specific one that says late night. Now as you can see, the late night one is right here. You want to go ahead and tap on it, and you will see that your volume will actually be noticeably louder than it was before. And I'll allow you guys to kind of check it from before and check it after, and this will actually increase the volume by quite a bit. And what's really cool about this is, let's say you don't like the late night one, you can kind of go ahead and scroll through and determine which one you like. Now some people may prefer the spoken word one, some people may prefer the vocal booster one, and a lot of people don't even know about this EQ section within your iPhone. So it's not just within the music app, it's the speakers in general. So this is another really, really cool little thing that you can have access to if you just go into your settings and just modify the music section. So that's exactly how you go and increase the volume per se. But like I said, it'll use a little bit of tinkering for yourself, going into the EQ and determining which one is better. But from what I've heard, the late night one is probably the best one out of all of them.